The master's program I'm in is called College Student Personnel. It's a subsection of the Higher Education and Student Affairs Department in the Patton College of Education. I originally was a pre-law student and realized I really loved working with other students instead. I currently work in the Office of Community Standards and Student Responsibility. In my program, I'm taking a full graduate course load as well as having a 20-hour practical graduate assistantship experience. And so the goal of the program is to create student affairs practitioners, so we get hands-on experience working with students and departments. When I looked into the program and I saw that it has a theory to practice model instead of a research focus, that really excited me because it was going to give me that experience of working with students right away. And I could gain that relevant work experience before I could go into a full-time job. Thinking about my goals and what I hope to do afterwards is something I've been thinking about a lot because I'm in the final year of my program. I currently work technically under the Dean of Students, and I really like that work environment. There's a lot of one-on-one interactions with students and also stepping in for behavioral interventions, crisis interventions, and so that is an area I'm really interested in. So I'm hoping to stay at Ohio University and work in student affairs here because I've had such an amazing experience, and again, I want to pay that forward. I originally had no idea this was even a field that I could possibly go into, but I had a lot of really great help from folks who went through this program, and so it kind of put a bug in my ear that this is something that I could do and I could pay it forward and help other students here at Ohio University. I got very lucky coming to Ohio University because we have a lot of student affairs professionals that are very forward-facing, and I think the folks that we have here right now are particularly excited about empowering students, and that's a team that I really want to join.